Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and as you can see in the background, we've got my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a smart thing that you can do to make putting videos on YouTube a little more slick. So let's get cracking. So friends, when you post more than 2,000 videos, occasionally you get things up there that have parts that are missing. And for years, if I found something silly I left in an edit, I actually rebuilt the video and uploaded it. My friends, there is an editor in YouTube. Watch how slick this works. Alright friends, so let's check out what I did that is silly and needs fixing. So you can see I repeated myself and I left a gap in this video. I'm going to pause that and let me show you how we fix it. So first, I'm going to click this magic edit video button. Now this only works if it's your account, but when you get in here, there is a sweet tab called the editor. When you slide down to the editor, you can click trim to fix the areas that are incorrect. If you look up here, you've got your play button. You can skip forward.
HLModTech, and I'm here today to show you something awesome about editing a video with YouTube's video editor.
So my mistake was all the way back there. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to slide back to where it started, which will be right after this. I can zoom in so I can see the spot even better. If I hit play, so I am going to get rid of that spot. Right at that spot, I'm going to do what's called a split. And then I'm going to pull this across to the next one. So let's preview that and see if I hit it right, or I can just hit play.
Day friends, it is me, HLModTech. Good day.
Alright, so I need to go all the way to here. And then if I hit preview, so I'll go back to this spot. Let's see how it sounds.
Good day, friends. It is me, HL.
Something's not quite right. Let's back it up just a hair. Click back here so we're in play mode or in the location.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech.
I'm going to go back just a little bit further. Get my...
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm here today to show you something.
I'm going to go one step in front. That was my whole problem. I'm going to slide back with the slider on the bottom. This is important to note that this is where you can slide left or right. I want all that music. And let's try this one more time. Set my cursor. Play.
Good day, friends.
And I cut out the bad part.
And I'm here today to show you something awesome about editing a video with YouTube's video editor.
See this pause here? Watch that. We can fix that as well. I'm going to go back to this gap where I was collecting my brain thoughts, and I'm going to split it one more time. And when I just pull that from there to there, put my cursor back and hit play, now they connect like they're supposed to. If you like what you did, you can hit preview. The nice thing about this preview is as it's playing, check it out. I can notice that I've got a whole mistake where there's all this audio after my end screen. That's what this black is. So let's go back and fix that too. I'm going to zoom out real quick and take a look at this. Not only did I have those two errors, I let my music play way after the project finish. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to edit that trim again. Find the location where that music ends. You can see that that's where my screen goes black. And I'm going to split it one more time, but this time I'm going to pull it all the way back. Because I uploaded a 2-minute video and it was really only supposed to be 30 seconds. So now I've got 3 quick little edits. When I hit preview, I could discard if I didn't like what I did. I can play it all so I can see it happen and double check. I know that mine is good, but I'll hit play quick just because it's good practice. That's how I actually caught that I had the extra video here.
Good day, friends. It is me,
boom. Only one good day.
Here today to show you something awesome about editing a video with YouTube's video editor. So let's
not too bad. It jumps. Wish they had transitions. That'd be a slick addition. And it does the end title, just like I'd expect. So I'm going to save those changes. It tells me viewers won't see it for a while, but when I hit save, boom, it'll do all the work. I'll check back later and it'll be done. Alrighty friends, so there you have it. That's how easy it is to edit something out of a video if you made an oops. I've got this video in the background because it's one of my favorites. It's a sweet motorcycle we make in Tinkercad. I actually had this same type of issue in here. I had the same edit done twice. Using this cool tool, I was able to chop it out, and the video went from 23 minutes to build a sweet motorcycle to only 22. So I shaved off a whole minute, and there wasn't an awkward spot where the kids kept saying, hey, why are there two chunks of the same training? And it was fixed in a heartbeat. Friends, if you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.